do a little video tutorial today on the programming of the Team Exalt soldering iron. This has been one of our most popular items. It comes with very high reviews for transportation, for lightweight, compact. This is probably one of the best irons you can get on the market. It definitely has been something that we have had great success with. So we're going to show you some programming features that this iron offers. All right, so we got our iron here. Go ahead and turn it on. It does come factory in the Celsius mode. We're going to go ahead and walk you through all that. So for programming, if you want to edit any of the features, just double click the red button. This is going to put you, your first step is going to be in OE mode, which is your temperature adjustment, so that you can calibrate the display to what the tip exactly says. It's a correction mode that gives you, I believe, 1 to 50 to adjust. And then click over here. This is a PD. This is your password protection, so you can lock your iron from being used by others. And then this is a feature that I strongly suggest. This is your sleep mode. Go ahead and hit the button once. It's going to go to 5 minutes. I set it to 10 minutes. And that's going to basically turn the unit off after 10 minutes, and it's going to say that SP mode, and all you do to reactivate it is just shake it, and it will establish temperature immediately. And then right here is your Celsius and Fahrenheit. So click this, and that puts it right there in the Fahrenheit. Hit the button one more time, and now you are at your Fahrenheit settings. If you guys have any other questions on this iron, shoot us a message or give us a call. Other than that, thank you guys very much and have a great day.